efficient use of raw materials, new functionalities and more durable products. Design and develop high-performing custom materials that enable new innovations and emerging technologies with VTT's unique technology infrastructure. Here's a taste of what we can help you achieve. With our computational material modeling concept ProperTune, we can model, analyze, and predict material behavior, such as lifetime endurance, wear resistance, and fatigue durability. With modeling, we can significantly expedite the time it takes to evaluate and select the optimal material for your application. VTT PowderPiloting provides you with a complete development path from a powder to a product, and allows you to find ways, for example, to replace critical raw materials with more sustainable ones. With our 3D printing facilities, we can turn metals, plastics, and biomaterials into high-performing and lightweight structures that are tailored to your need. VTT ProperScan helps you solve future material challenges and avoid unnecessary failures and costly downtime by making the right material choices today. No matter what your material challenge is, VTT can help you solve it.